So how you can export SVG in Figma? So SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, which can be scaled to any size without losing quality or becoming pixelated. Unlike images like JPEG or PNG, SVG use mathematical formulas to draw lines, making them ideal for high-resolution web graphics, logos, icons, etc. So how you can export it as SVG? So for example, I want to export this frame, so make sure to select that frame. Or you can just do it on the left side. Here is this thumbnail, I want to select that. And now we want to export that, so on the right side, scroll down and here find export. It should be visible like this. So click on plus, and here we want to select the PNG but not PNG and the SVG. Click it. This cannot be changed, 1x, and you can also click on 3 dots to enter advanced export settings. And here you can see all advanced settings which can be changed. I'm not gonna change anything. I'm gonna close this and I want to export it. So click on export thumbnail, or they're gonna be name of your frame. Mine is thumbnail. Also, it's gonna be by default named as thumbnail. You can rename it as you want. For example, thumbnail 2, click on save and it should be done. If you open your Finder or your computer, as you can see, here is my SVG file. You can preview that and use it on your web, etc. as you want, as you need it to. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and see you next time.